Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. I'm not dead. Yeah, I'm still here. This is why I've not been doing or saying anything much. I have been building my new garage. So I'm currently in it. It's currently a carport at the moment because I've not built the front doors yet. But it's a sectional garage. I'll take you around for a tour in a minute. But first of all, purchase something for the Mini that I don't own, that you all say I don't own. I have purchased something. Dun dun dun. Pow! Yep. They are deep dish 10-inch wheels. Banded Steelies, as other people may call them. And if you look closely for all the Cooper perverts, they're LP 883s. Genuine, no. I didn't draw it on with a Sharpie in my pocket at all. They are genuine. So, I know you've only seen one, but I have got four. There's two. Banded. So, for those that don't know, Usher Engineering on YouTube, very famous for building rally cars and things like that, and really high spec quality cars. They ran a competition probably about a year ago now of saying they would band a set of Steelies up to a set of wheels up to 18-inch. So all you had to do was comment on the video below, and then that would get you entered into the prize draw. I didn't win it. Mr. Alex Toon won it, and he won it by taking the piss out of my comment, because I said, "Oh, they look great on my Mini," and he said, "Do you even own a Mini?" And he won the competition. So there you go. So I've bought them. So Alex Toon has picked them up. So the wheels are actually from Dave Jaguar. Dave Jaguar brought them over from Austria. I then give them to Tooney. Tooney then took them down, got them done, then brought them back up. Now Tooney was going to fit them to his blue car. Story time, this, isn't it? Bloody hell. Tooney was going to fit them to his blue Mini, but he's got rid of it now. I don't think he'd dare put them on his Cooper. He's obviously not going to put them on his Mayfair, and he's only just had his other ones refurbed for the van, so they're not his look he's going for. So I offered to purchase them, and I own them. So I wanted a set of 10-inch wheels. That's the whole point for the Cooper S from brake conversion. So we've now gone down to that. So there we go, story time over. So what else have I been doing? I've been building a garage basically. It's a concrete sectional garage. It's probably about, I think it's 8 foot wide, or about 8.5 foot wide by 16 foot long. So it's not absolutely huge. It's no Alex Toon garage cost me thousands and thousands of pounds garage, but it's going to do me. So what I'll do is I'll take you off the tripod and I'll show you my new home. So here it is. This is going to be the new home for the Mini. That is the current garage that it lives in, with all the parts. So my plan is to put it in here. The only thing that will be in here is the Mini, and anything that's bolted to the Mini. All the crap that you can see back there will be going into that one. So yeah, it's like I say, it's a concrete sectional garage with a metal roof. I've put fascia boards on now to let the air out and everything like that. People think that you should seal a garage completely. Not always the case, because you need airflow. So we've got decent airflow. We've got a couple of leaks to sort out. Then wash down the walls and paint them, and also I need to do some, well, you can see all that over there. So that's on a solid base underneath there with the flags on top to make it level, and then I need to then concrete all this in at some stage. So like I say, there's someone who put, I don't even know what in these little holes here. But yeah, that's it basically. So it needs a good wipe down. If anybody asks, I paid £80 for the garage. That included the roof, included the door, but the door won't fit now because we've made it slightly wider than it would have been. So we now need, I'm looking at building some sort of like barn doors for it. So yeah, that's it. I'll put you back on the tripod and talk some more crap probably. So yeah, so the idea is, it's a nice living space. It'll have lighting in, and it'll have, well, electrics, lighting, and the walls will be white, and the floor will probably, well, the floor will be grey. I've got grey paint for the floor eventually. So yeah, it's not amazing, but it's better than working in that thing next door, and it's certainly better than working out there. Also as well, I hope the sound quality is a lot better because I have actually purchased a new microphone. I've got a Rode, whatever microphone now. So yeah, but I've got wheels, got deep dish. So to just, I'll show you one. So, is it focusing? There you go. So yeah, so as you can see, there's been a band welded in. As you can see on the inside, it's smooth. So yeah, that's been welded in there to make them wider. Let me get a tape measure. Right, so we've got one here. So just to check it, it's 7-inch rim to rim and 7-inch, and inside is 6-inch. So does that make them a 10x6 or does that make them a 10x7? I'm sure the comment section will let me know. But yeah, I picked that up there. So rim to rim 7-inch, inner is 6-inch. So yeah, very happy with them. I think they're going to look absolutely awesome on the car. I've just stuck a coat of primer on just to keep the anything off them. So it says there 3.5 by 10. So I wonder if they were 3.5 inch before they was banded. Yeah, not sure. Again, if you know, let me know because I want to know more about these wheels. Absolutely love them. So yeah, that's more or less it really. I'm making progress with the Mini. I am still on with that rear valance. It's taking the piss really, but needs must. Like I say, the main focus has been trying to get this built up. I've owned this since probably February. End of February I think I picked it up. Then we had loads of bad weather. Then COVID happened. COVID's still happening. We're going to talk about that. So I couldn't get any lads to come and help me. But I tell you what, for a group of lads that have never put one up before, we didn't have any instructions, I don't think we've done a bad job, to be fair. It's certainly better than what I had, which was fuck all. At the moment, like I say, it's a carport because it doesn't have doors on it. But once it's got doors on, electrics, paint the walls, everything like that, and I think it'll be a nice place to be. So I think that's it basically. I'm waffling on now. Yeah, got new wheels, did I tell you? Well, look how small they are though. Look how small they actually are. Like go-kart wheels. Right, I'm boring. Sorry. See you later.